Hello, thanks for joining me. It's another drop-down trailer design day. Try saying that with all your teeth in. So, as you know, I love working in Blender. The animations are fantastic. So let's have a little look at what Blenders can do for me today. Here we are in Blender with my simplified design for a drop-down trailer. Imagine the blue is floor level. Imagine the red centre section is the spine of a trailer for a single motorcycle. In this case, my YZF 600R. The bike would roll onto a centre channel mounted on this red spine. At floor level. A wheel chock at the front holding it steady. And then, hopefully, we could just raise up the two blue subframes, which, when I zoom in, we can see that there's an axle running right through the front of the blue subframes, through the red cross section, into the other blue subframe. So that's both subframes pivoting on an axle at this point. Let's have a look at it in action. As the blue subframes raise, so does the centre section. Now, you may ask, as you're well entitled to, how on earth does all of this stay rigid? Well, the rear of the red spine would be attached to each side blue subframe solidly once it was at its working height. How does all this happen? Good point. You've now discovered what the next part of the trailer design will be. And that is to create a wire rope attached to a winch, or a lifting strop attached to a winch, that when tensioned will bring this and the bike up from floor level to a working towable level and then locking mechanisms indicated with the mouse movements here and here. So early days on the design, but looking promising. Thanks for joining me. Join me again soon.